Hello and welcome to Progress, the reporting dashboard for you at Capital Mind Wealth, a PMS run by Capital Mind. This dashboard has evolved over the past few years to become more transparent and extensive in terms of all the information you may want to know, from your portfolio holdings to individual stock performance to fee charged, transactions, tax P&L, etc. So let's begin the tour now. A one-glance overview of your investment into PMS is available on the homepage. This includes the date of your account initiation, your current portfolio value, the current asset allocation, the XIRR or the absolute return. We display absolute return for portfolios less than 1 year old. After 1 year, the performance is displayed in XIRR terms. The dashboard is updated with a day's lag and the last updated date is displayed for your reference. Your investments into PMS are designed as goals. These may be open-ended goals such as wealth creation or close-ended target-based goals like retirement, education, holiday, etc. The number of goals and the monthly SIP as per your plan is displayed at the top. The equity-only NAV of your investment portfolio is plotted against Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50 and Mid-Cap 100. You can hover over the graph to check historical performance. You will also see the asset allocation in absolute terms, the P&L and fee breakdown. This will show how the invested amount has changed after accounting for realized or unrealized gains, dividends and fees. The left panel is a guide to access the reports and details on the dashboard. The current portfolio lists the underlying holding for the portfolios you invest in. These are divided as equity and debt. You can further select the strategy from drop-down to see respective holdings. The holdings are listed with the individual P&L and weightages. The summary of current cost of portfolio, value and P&L is at the bottom. Goals. The planned goals are tracked against the monthly target and goal level XIRRs are listed. The unplanned goals are tracked on the absolute value and XIRR. Profile. The profile lists account holders' personal details. Deepak's memo. Deepak Shenoy, CEO and CIO at Capital Mind Wealth, writes a monthly newsletter with a commentary on the past month and his outlook for the future. The newsletter is emailed to all the PMS subscribers and also uploaded on Progress. This way, a new subscriber will get access to all the previous newsletters since May 2018. Reports. The ledger lists the activities on your portfolio, including purchases, redemption along with transaction fees, etc. etc. The breakup of the fee, the last invoice, and current quarter bill is here. Also, you can view or download the fee breakup for all the previous quarters. The tax P&L summary and detailed report can be downloaded. Also, the transaction statement and account statement are available for the download. Now let's move on to some operational support features. You can add funds to your PMS accounts from the dashboard. The various options include setting up a NASH mandate, direct bank transfer, net banking or UPI. On fund addition, you will find this tool that will show how the funds will be allocated across goals or strategies. You can proceed as per system allocation or override and send us a request for custom allocation. Our team gets in touch with you if there is a need to discuss the instructions set by you. We also have a ticket system for support. You can generate a ticket for your query. Finally, you can reset your password from here. We at Capital Mind take pride in the transparency and access we offer to our PMS subscribers. This is Progress, the most transparent dashboard for your PMS investments.